We have a two-prong introduction to this next song. At Will McLean a couple of years ago, I was noodling on the guitar on Sunday morning, and Pete came by and he started noodling too, and we were noodling. Yeah, we were noodling. Yeah. That's a technical musical term for dicking around with a guitar, right? It's okay if I say that?
I hope so.
All right. and we're just playing around here, and I think, Pete, I just think of rain, when playing this progression here. So this song needs to be about rain, and Pete will take over the tale from here.
So Monday after Will McLean, I'm sitting in the kitchen noodling with this idea again. No, noodling. And we have two rescue greyhounds at the house. One of them is pretty straight and pretty okay. The other one is like a Jekyll and Hyde. When it rains or thunderstorms, he heads straight to the smallest room in the house and dives and takes cover. I mean, it doesn't matter. So this morning it was just drizzling out there, and all of a sudden I looked at him and he started to get those wild eyes, and his ears went straight up, and he started panting. And I said, Joey, it's just a little rain. And I thought, ding, there you go. There's a title. So I immediately got on my phone and texted Mike, and I said, hey, how about it's just a little rain? And off we went from there.
Thunder in the distance and drumming on the roof, sleeplessness persistent, defying 90 proof. Days once filled with laughter, now quietly restrained. It's hard to find an answer or refuge from the pain. No need for worry. It's here and then it's gone away. It's just a little rain. It's just another start. It's an easy walk away. It's one more broken heart. It's waiting for the dawn to light the lonely day. Nothing more to wonder. It's just a little rain. Silent shadows dancing like phantoms on the wall. Love and life in passing, but then nothing at all. Rooms once full of promise, abandoned, cold and spare. The stillness now surrounds us. The silence fills the air. No need for worry. It's here and then it's gone away. It's just a little rain, just another start. It's an easy walk away. It's one more broken heart. It's waiting for the dawn to light the lonely day. Nothing more to wonder. It's just a little rain. It's just a little rain, it's just another start, it's an easy walk away, it's one more broken heart, it's waiting for the dawn to light the lonely day, nothing more to wonder, it's just a little rain. Just a little rain. Thunder fading slowly, the sky gunmetal gray. It's quiet, almost holy, it's just a little rain.
Thank you so much. Thank you.